Hello, 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 Maggei. I am back again. Today, I'm gonna show you guys some delicious potolpotol from Ghana. This you can eat with anything. So what are you waiting for? Let's go to my kitchen. God bless you. This is what I'm talking about. Butter for you. You eat it with rice or anything of your choice. It's easy to make. Let's start. You need sweet potato. I'm using 7. So you can use anything of your potato. You peel the skin off and then you cut it small, 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 small. This is my meat. I'm using meat or goat. Put it in a pot, cook it, and add more meat if you want on the fire. After that, you cut your onion, your Maggei, your chili, salt to taste, and then garlic. Yeah, so cut one onion into pieces. One onion. Put them in the blender. All of them in the blender. Ginger, garlic, pepper, Maggei, onion, 2 Maggei. I'm using 2 Maggei, but you can use any Maggei of your choice. 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. I'm using 2 tomatoes. Cut it and add it into the ingredients in the blender. Now add 1 cup of water and blend it up. Blend, 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 blend. Zzz. Cut another 1 onion and put the 1 onion inside your meat. Now add Maggei or any season of your choice. I'm adding 2 Maggei inside my meat to season it. I want it juicy and tasty. Yeah. Now mix it up well. Make sure you mix it well so the seasoning doesn't stay in one place. It mixed well. Now you're gonna add the seasoning you blend. You're gonna add half of it and then mix it up. Mix it up well. Now you're gonna add fish of your choice. Just cut the fish small pieces. I love fish. Add it into the cooking and mix it up smoothly. Now I'm gonna use smoked fish. Yes, soft. Take the bones out before the bone hurts yourself. Take the bones out smoothly. Make sure all the bones are out. Don't leave any small bone. Take all the. Now you're gonna use your hand and cut it small. Now you're gonna put it inside your meat and mix it up. Well mixed. So everything mixed well. Potolpotol. Yum. Add 1 more cup of water and mix it up. This is coco yam. I love coco yam. I'm gonna cut it into pieces like how I cut the potato. Cut it into pieces. So I'm using 2 bags of coco yam. Yeah, that's how it look. I've already washed it, so I put it back inside. This is my potato, sweet potato. I put it inside as well. Now I mix it nicely. Slowly. Add 1 cup of big jar water. Mix it well. This is how it will look. Add salt to taste. Mix it a little bit and then cover it for 5 to 10 minutes. Yep. Now open it and check, cover it again. Open it, check and mix so it doesn't get burned. Mix it slowly. Now this is yam. You're gonna peel it the same as you did with the potato and the cocoa yam. Yep. Cut it slightly small. And you're gonna cook it separately in a little bowl. Now this is red oil. You're gonna add 2 cups of red oil or 3 cups of red oil into, because this you can eat oil. Now check your yam and mix it, put it inside. Ooh, I'm hungry. This potolpotol is now mix it. This is all, guys. This is it. Finish. You can eat this with anything you want, with rice, with bread. You can eat it by itself. This is a special rich food in my country. I hope you love it, learn it, share my page and subscribe to my channel for my next video.